Hi, this is Sammy again. Here's a question that a lot of students get stuck on. They get stuck on this because the bases here are different. So I'm going to show you an easy way of doing it. And then at the end, I'm going to show you why you could do that. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how we could make this a little bit easier. So we're going to start solving this. So to solve this, what you want to do, keep the log. 1 second. Keep the log base 2, 5 the same, plus log, change the 4 to 2 squared, so change the base to 2 squared, and you still have the 36, plus log, and you know the 1/2, we could change it to 2 to the power of -1, 15. Yeah, so now here, the next step is to go log base 2, 5, plus, you see this power right here on the base, you could make that just 1/2 in front of the log. And I'm going to show you later why you could do that. And you see that -1, when you have a -1 on top of the base, you could just change this sign right here, the plus sign, change it to minus, and then lose that exponent. So this exponent here, get rid of it by making the plus here negative, and if it was negative here, you just make it a plus, and now that's 15. Now you could combine the logs, and to combine these logs, you end up with log base 2. You cannot combine the logs yet. Sorry, I meant you gotta raise the powers. So when you have a 1/2 in front of the log, you could just bring it up on top of the 36. So plus log 36 to the power of 1/2 minus, and that's just log base 2, 15. Now the 1/2 here is the same as the square root. Anything raised to the power of 1/2 is the same as the square root of 36. And at this stage right here, you want to still change this to log base 2, 5, but change this 36 to the power of 1/2 is the same as the square root of 36. So that becomes log base 2, 6 minus log base 2, 15. Now I want to combine all these logs, and remember the log rules tell you the base is 2 here, that when you're adding, you could change the multiplication, the 5 and the 6. And when you're minusing, you divide. So you could divide by the 15. That gives me 30 divided by 15, which gives you log base 2. 2, a log base 2 equals 1, of course, because 2 raised to the power of 1 gives you 2. That's how the logarithms work. So when you have log base 2, 2 is asking you 2 raised to the power of what gives you 2, so 1. Yeah. Now let's just go to the, I told you earlier that we will show you how I changed this to that and this to this. Yeah. So let's look at the log base 4, 36 first. So if we have log base 4, 36, we could just change that, do change of base. You know, change of base, you could write this as log 36 over log 4. So that's change of base. And that will equal log 36. And I'm going to change the 4 to 2 squared. So log 2 squared. That's a 2, by the way. And after that, I'm just going to bring the 2 down in front. So I have log 36 over, I bring the 2 down in front of the log 2. Now this part right here, you could change it back to change a base. So you go backwards and make it like that. So that becomes log base 2, 36. And you still have the 2 right on the bottom. And that what makes it here 1/2 log base 2, 36. How about the log half to the log base half 15? The log base half 15. Of course, we made the half 2 to the -1, 15. Now we do change of base, so that becomes log 15 over log 2 to the -1 Then I'm just going to bring the -1 to the front. So that becomes log 15 over -1 log 2 using the log rules where the exponent comes down. Now I'm going to put this together. So the change of base, change of base is basically log base AX, could be changed to log X over log A for some of you who don't remember the rules. So we could go this way or we could go that way. So in here, I want to go back. So log base 15 over log 15 over log 2, these are base 10. When we change the base, that means these are base 10. So log base 10 15 divided by log base 10 2 will just give me log base 2 15, and I still have the -1 on top. So this divided by -1 will just give you negative log base 2 15. And that's basically how we go from here or from here to making it minus log base 215 here. And the other one, this divided by 2 is the same as having 1/2 in front of this, and that's how we went there. Okay, and that's how you do this question. I mean, it's lots of students actually get stuck when you have different bases, and that's the way to get out of that dilemma. All righty. And that's it for today. As you know, I upload every week, once or twice, lots of interesting videos on my YouTube channel, over 500 videos, all math from grade 6 all the way to first year university. So check it out. I hope you like it. And if you do, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks as always for watching. Till next time, bye-bye.